which is the sprint hurdles event. Such a technical event. One mistake can cost you, as we saw in the previous race. Semi-final 2 of the class 4 girls. One mistake clipping the hurdle. It's not enough time to recover. It's not like the 100-meter hurdles for girls. This is 80 meters. You just saw Michaela Brown there. Demoya Roberts. Dashana Godfrey there from Edwin Allen. Niara McLeod from Immaculate is in 4. Tanisha Richards from Homewood Technical is in 5. Modena Creary from Woolman's Girls will lead from lane 6. Aliana Gilmore from Mount Alvernia is in 7. Then no Jada Lynch in lane 8.
Modena Creary, last year's class 4 70-meter hurdle silver medalist. Tashana Godfrey, the defending champion and the overwhelming favourite for the gold medal, representing Edwin Allen in lane number 3. 11:09 in qualifying this morning, significantly better than anybody else in the field. The record is 10:87. Kamoy Binga, who represented both St. Jago and Hydel. This gold medal already has Godfrey's name written on it. She just needs to claim it over the next 2 races.
That's the hard part, isn't it?
It is the hard part.
Set.
So they're set to win. A brilliant start from Richards from Homewood Technical. Roberts from Hydel is left behind as Godfrey from Edwin Allen flies away with it. And look at the time, 10.72. It comes back at 10.75. We await the wind reading. It could be legal.
Well, it's saying no wind at this stage. Wow.
Comes back as plus 2.6.
It's wind assisted, but it's a terrific performance, and she didn't even get her best start. Really good start coming from Homewood Technicals. Richards in lane number 5, but once Godfrey got going, almost as if she had to be making allowances because she is so fast, gets to the hurdle so quickly, but she is tall as well and snaps really well. That trail leg comes through so quickly. Beautiful to watch. Doesn't spend much, if any, time in the air. This is why Jamaicans do so well on the global stage in the hurdles, because you see this level of proficiency at this level. That is high-class hurdling coming from Tashana Godfrey.
Yeah, but that number plus 2.6 above the legal limits. It's a brilliant run, denied of a record. The bounty race, Kamoy Bingham's 1087 from 2022, but it still stands. It survives. One more semi-final to come. We await confirmation of the top 3 athletes there. We look at the surface here at the National Stadium. So Godfrey 1075. 11.02 for Creary from Wilmer's Girls. Roberts 11.10 from Hydel. McLeod from Immaculate 11.29. Richards 11.39.